and also is using this opportunity to address
this is to set the rule as the game begins so that we all be on the same page. So this will be my address to all. And the member of the delivered by the new appointed Commissioner of Police of City Government, CP and Wale Ajao, PSC, and NIPS. On this Thursday, March 27, 2025. The Deputy Commissioners of Police here present, all Assistant Commissioners of Police, my area commanders, Divisional Police Officers, Tactical Commanders, my very lovely brothers, gentlemen of the police, you are welcome. I feel highly honored to be your guest this morning as I deliver this inaugural speech as the newly appointed Commissioner of Police, FCT Command, 5033rd in the series, to the glory of Almighty God, and with a sense of responsibility. Let me start by expressing my gratitude to the Inspector General of Police, IGP, Kayode Adeoye, PhD, for entrusting me with this critical responsibility. As we gather here this morning, I'm fully aware of the security challenges and the need for urgent proactive measures that will help not only to maintain peace and order, but to prevent crime in every part of FCT and its environment. We are not unaware of the security challenges posed by crime and violence, social unrest, kidnapping, youth rescue, cybercrime, inequality, among others. But as time before you today, committed to tackling those challenges head on and ensuring that the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, remains a safe and secure place that is living and crime free for everyone. I'm fully committed to a peaceful and crime free FCT in line with the vision of the Inspector General Police, who will repose this confidence in me, and I pledge to do my best to ensure that the force is not let down. It is therefore on this mindset that I welcome our distinguished gentlemen of the press, officers and men of the command, here present to this gathering. Achieving the task ahead, that is, of a peaceful and crime-free FCT, is our collective responsibility. You can't clap with one hand. Hence, I call on all stakeholders and relevant agencies to join me in this crusade for making the nation's federal capital a model of measuring excellence in crime control. My vision is anchored on the strategic priorities set by the Inspector General of Police, which emphasizes community policing, intelligence-led operation, and the use of technology in combating crime. In line with this vision, and building on the foundation laid by my predecessors in office, my mission will be one, to enhance public safety, where we ensure that every resident of the city feels safe and secure in their homes, workplace, and public space. Two, to combat crime proactively. We are going to adopt a proactive approach to crime prevention. We don't wait for it to happen before we start taking charge. And to do this, we are going to leverage on intelligence and technology, as well as community partnership. The third one is to build trust and confidence. We are going to bridge the trust gap between members of the public and the police. This will engender free flow of information. Of course, you share your secrets with your friends and your trust. We are going to foster a strong relationship between the police and the community by ensuring that the police are seen as partners in security rather than law enforcers. We're equally going to promote accountability and professionalism. Uphold the highest ethical standard of professionalism, integrity, and accountability within the FCT police command. What then will be our strategic priorities? I've outlined the strategic priorities of community policing. We are going to strengthen the community policing initiative by working closely with community leaders, youth groups, traditional rulers, professional bodies, the media, in addressing security challenges at the grassroots level. If the home is safe, the nation will be safe. There are regular town hall meetings at all levels, while headquarters, area command, and divisional levels, to ensure that everybody is brought on board. Our policing method will be intelligence driven. We will rejig our state intelligence department to a more robust intelligence unit to gather, analyze, and act on actionable intelligence to prevent crime even before criminals start thinking of it. We're going to partner with the Nigerian Armed Forces, all other security agencies, including the Department of State Services, the Nigerian Security Assembly, the Drug Law Enforcement, as far as even the local hunters and vigilante group, to ensure FCT is crime free. The operation will be technology driven. We will strive to employ and deploy state-of-the-art technology, including CCTV camera, drones, and digital crime handling, to monitor and respond to criminal activity in real time. We're going to partner with the Office of the Minister and well-meaning stakeholders that will assist in providing this. Technology rules the world. A recent survey in America revealed that houses and facilities covered with camera have 300% chances of not being attacked. That is huge, and it costs less. It's becoming a low-hanging fruit type of law. There will be 24/7 command and control center, which will be established to coordinate rapid response with a view to reducing response time to distress, whereby people are safe before they are dead. There will be capacity building, and welfare of officers will be a priority. Officers and men, let me assure you, for every good work done, there will be reward. We are going to do that. One of the brilliant initiatives of the Inspector General of Police is the annual award exercise for police officers. And I'm very much willing, and I hope FCT will not want to be left behind. If you are playing a game in your own state, you should be able to win the trophy. Is that not possible? Is it not doable? So we need to move on, gather intelligence, and crack criminals. So capacity building is the necessity. We continue the training and training program initiated by the predecessor, not only in investigation, administration, so that everybody will be up high in this game. Specialized training program on crime prevention, cybercrime, human rights and community engagement will be conducted regularly. In addition to this, there is going to be zero tolerance for corruption. Our image matters, and we are going to engage in image policing. If your dry cleaner is dirty, you won't take your clothes to me. So we should try and shine so that people will be able to impress us. All manners of unprofessional conduct will be sanctioned. Now, a call for action and to action. From the residents of Abuja, we are expecting everybody to remain vigilant, report suspicious activities, and cooperate with the police in maintenance of public order. To the community leaders, we want them to serve as bridges between the police and the community, enforcing dialogue and collaboration, which will generate good intelligence that will reduce crime. To the media, please support our effort by reporting accurately and responsibly by promoting messages of peace and unity. In conclusion, I want to assure the residents of Abuja by the special grace of God that the Federal Capital Territory, under my leadership, will be firm, fair, and fearless in the discharge of its duty. We will work tirelessly to ensure Abuja remains safe for all. I'm committed to upholding the vision of the IGP, which is to create a people-friendly, rule of law compliant, and technologically driven police force. Together, we'll build a new security architecture that will guarantee peace, safety, and prosperity. Thank you so much. God bless you. In Mango has exposed the owner to risk of assault, rape, even kidnapping. So it's a crime that creates opportunity for so many other crimes. Area commanders, DPOs, it will be a taboo for such to record within the tradition. Is it understood? So it's part and parcel of the asset, and you have to critically manage. Am I complicated? The special intelligence units, where you are going to lead the drive in copying the menace of one chance operator. They have their motives. When we study and understand their motives, it will be easy for us to neutralize them. And I think we are succeeding. Let me tell us, Tuesday evening in Gariki, there was that funny attempt. But by the special grace of God, within 15 minutes, the young girl was rescued. So I trust the caliber and capacity of the officers of God. They are on their toes and they will continue to sustain it. Is that an assurance? I thank and appreciate you all. Thank you so much.